Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm back with another video in the stationery business series, and today I'll be unboxing the acrylic pens from Sticker Mule. So you guys saw me upload the design on Sticker Mule and place my order. And I also have a few specs for you guys. My total order cost was $21.60. I ordered these acrylic pens on August 19th. They shipped on August 23rd and they arrived to my home on August 30th. Those are the shipping times for me. Again, like I said, I'm in Texas. On the box, it looks like these shipped from New York. You always have to keep in mind different time frames for different people, different parts of the country. I do not know how many facilities that Sticker Mule has, but I received my order in that time frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. I already cut the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. As you see, there's a pouch in there. There is our handy dandy coaster and the 2 stickers that normally come with our Sticker Mule package. You can opt out of these during your order. I just don't, because I actually use my coasters on my desk for my drinks. And here is my little pouch. All right, so it has my acrylic pens in there. I'm gonna open up the bag, and here of course it tells you to remove the protective film from the front of the acrylic pen. All right, let's take about 2 out. You do receive 10. I don't know if you guys can see, but I put one on my cork board. Here is the pen, small business owner, with the black outline. You remember we did the keychain and I did it in basically, I think I did it in black. I can't remember, but here is it in white with the black background. They look really good. And if it looks dull to you, remember you can remove that plastic film. I'll come up closer so you guys can see that. Just a little plastic film on there that you just take off and it will look much brighter. Here is it with the plastic film off versus the film on. You can see the difference, all right? No film with the film. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of my acrylic pens from Sticker Mule. Let me know if you guys are enjoying the stationery series. We have a few videos left and then I should be able to see your products live on your website, and I really want to do something special. Make sure you're watching, make sure you're commenting and subscribing. Share this channel with your friends. I'll be doing a life update soon and just a general introduction to my channel, because my channel is growing and there's new people who are here who just kind of get thrown into this print on demand thing. I want to make sure that I'm providing you guys with as much information as I can and making sure that you understand what I have going on my channel and what I'm here to do. Until next time, I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.